access panel for the airbag wires. Remove it like so. Here we have these two wires that we need to disconnect. This first one right here, that's for the horn. And if you press on this right here, you'll be able to separate the two. Next one, this is the airbag wires, and before you disconnect this, you gotta make sure that the battery, the car battery, is disconnected. What you need to do is pull down on this plastic piece right here. Pull this out like so. And once you do that, you'll be able to pull out the airbag. And here are the two wires that we just disconnected.